Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to view your friends' Snap messages without them knowing that you've seen it after the new update on Snapchat. So if we just go over to Snapchat and go over to Snapchat one more time, you guys will notice that when you're on Snapchat and you wanted to say, do that half view to see what your friend said, it's going to open you up right to Snap Maps instead of you being able to view what your friend said. Now, the way around this with the new update is if you hold your finger over the Bitmoji instead of just putting your finger anywhere. So if you just put it right on the Bitmoji and swipe over, it will then let you open it up just like that, and then we could see the message just like this. And then we're able to slide back over and it still says closed. Now this is great. After the update, I was a little bit upset how it just put us right over to Snap Maps, but that is the way around it. So instead of just putting your finger anywhere and swiping over, just put it over the Bitmoji and then swipe over, and then you'll be good to go to view the message. And then you can just swipe back over and it will just still say new chat. So you're good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to view your friends' Snap messages without them knowing after the latest update. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.